Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've popped into Lidl to see what's new in the middle aisle this week, and honestly it's a really good one. There's a brilliant selection of thermals, puffer jackets and long johns, and let's be honest, we definitely need them in this freezing weather. There are loads of laundry bits to help get clothes dry when it's absolutely Baltic outside. There are heaters to keep you warm, cosy heated blankets, more cath kitchen but this time for the birds, and quite possibly the most impressive fan heater dupe I've seen. So grab yourself something warm, get comfy, and let me show you what's new in Lidl's middle aisle. I don't know about you, but I'm absolutely freezing at the moment, so it was really good to see a great thermal collection in Lidl this week. These thermal long johns were only £3.59 with the Lidl Plus card. I bought these so many times before and they feel like other thermal long johns I've owned. They also had these velour leggings, which aren't normally my thing, but they looked really warm and cosy. They also had long sleeve thermal tops. These were £3.99. Not everything was discounted with the Lidl Plus card, but these were a really good and had a great selection of colours. And I actually went in for this a pack of 3 ribbed vest tops. They come in a couple of different colours, and for £6.99 the quality felt good, so I picked up a pack of these. They also had some nice knitwear for £7.99. Now, it's not the thickest, I have to admit. However, like in the picture, if you did style it over a shirt or something, it would be quite nice. It's not thick, but for £7.99, I thought it was pretty good. And they had them in a couple of different colours. They had this really nice sort of chocolate brown colour with a roll neck. If you're looking for a lightweight jumper, these were pretty good. They had it in bright orange as well. So if you're looking for a bright colour, they had those. And then I went in looking for these jumper dresses. They only had one colour in this store. It comes in a couple of colours for £9.99. Again, not too thick, but I think that's good with a jumper dress. You don't want it too thick, but they were selling fast. Lidl are definitely covering all bases because they had in one section some puffer jackets in a blue or a black, very shiny. It did actually feel quite nice quality. And then they were right next to, interestingly, a very classic gentleman outfit, some cord trousers. $11.99 came in brown, green or black. Sadly, no red or mustard, my favourite colour. But if you're after some cords, they had them for $11.99. They had a big selection of items to keep you warm, starting with the Silent Night blankets. They had them in single, double and king. They started at $19.99. There was good stocks in my store, and looking online, that's a pretty good price for this brand. So if you are looking for one, they had a great amount of stock in. I think at the moment these are going to be absolutely flying off the shelf with it being so cold. They also had a ribbed fur heated throw. This was $47.99. It was a luxury one, again Silent Night. It did feel lovely and soft, and a classic. I've bought so many of these over the years. We've had building work or I've had a freezing cold office. They were $29.99, which is a really good price. They also came in black as well. So if you're looking for an oil filled radiator, it's definitely a cheaper option than getting an electric plug-in. And then they had some fitted sheets. You don't often see ones, but these did feel really nice. These were jersey, so they were fairly soft. Didn't have a huge amount of stock, but they're only $4.99. So if you are looking for some bedding, they had these. Also had this Tronic Bladeless fan heater in store, priced at $69.99. It very clearly looks like a very well-known premium brand, but this one is much more affordable. It's a bladeless design, so it looks really sleek and it's easy to clean. It also comes in a natural mode, sleep mode and power mode, multiple speed settings and different colours you can switch up. And it also blows cool air, so it's not just for winter, it can be used all year round. There's also a smaller version in the range, which was $49.99, so let me know, do you like the look of these? I am also a massive fan of these heat pods. I had one while we had absolutely no drying facilities when we were doing building work, and they are so good. I think I paid a bit more than this, and it must be about 6 years ago. They are brilliant. I love them. Highly recommended by me. And to have a minky one for that price is really good. The other option as well, if you don't want that one, are these heated airers. $37.99 is a great price. I think these are fantastic. They're cheap to run, and if you need that extra help to dry stuff while it's so freezing cold, these are brilliant. Now these actually dropped a few days ago, but they still had tons in my store. They had these cool bags with a couple of containers. Full kit was $7.99. Great if you're starting the year trying to be healthy, taking a nice salad for your lunch. And then they had these individual pots, which my husband did buy, didn't realise till we got home. He's batch cooking lunches for himself, and so he picked up some of these so he can reuse them. That's everything new in the middle aisle this week. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you going to be making a trip this week? It's been a bit all over the place with Christmas, but I'll be back regularly on Thursday doing my Lidl and Aldi drops. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that. So I want to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.